Life, small, magic, 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 and simple next for you to perform is about a card magic, life, small, magic. First of all, I have a deck of cards here to show you all the cards. Let's write it down randomly. Okay, I'm going to put this card down. You can shout stop at any position. Can you shout stop? I'm going to shout stop at any position when the cards are in the deck of cards. Ready, 1, 2, 3. Stop at this position, right? Okay, here. I'll put a prophecy card in your position and I'll deal out the cards one by one, okay? All I need is for anyone in the audience to yell the word stop, okay? Okay, stop here, right? Okay, stop here, right? Okay, stop here. There's a prophecy card here. There's a card here right in a moment. You see what this card is. If this card is a 5, then put it in a circle of 5 until it's finished. If it's a 6, then circle it in a circle of 6, right? If it's a 7, then circle it in a circle of 7. Get it very simple. Come on, let's spectators look at what this one is. It's a 3, so... Next, this deck of cards will be dealt out in a round-robin fashion. These 3 cards. That's very simple, isn't it? It's very simple, right? This time, you're thinking you know I'm a 3 of a kind. It's normal. Well, here's the magic point. You snap your fingers. Let's take a look. Look, 4 3s have come out. It's incredible. How do you do it? I'll tell you right away. Okay, this is the part where we explain. First, we have to find the 4 3s that come out. It's called 3 3s 3 thirds. So we have to use 3s. If we don't use 3s, we can't use 4, 5, 6. First, we have to put the 4 3s at the top of the deck, and then we can ask the audience to be willing to take a position to stop. But only if we cut this card in the center. Hold it with your little finger. Hold it with your pinky so that the position on the front side is fine in the deck of cards when we rattle it. Are we picking up this card? No. We pick up the jammed card and press it down. Pick up the jammed card. Then we give the spectator a prophecy card. This card doesn't need to be opened in advance. It's placed here first. Put this card on top of it. At this point, all we have to do is put the cards down one by one. We just need to put down the cards one by one. At this point, we can ask the audience to stop at any position. For example, stop at this position. He likes to stop at this position. Then tell the audience that if this is a 5, you send 5 copies of the cycle of this card to be distributed until the end. Because the bottom of the card, these 3 cards have been sent out 3 to come is 3 to come. So no matter how he sends the result is the same, of course. Why to say 5 and not directly say 3 this way is to reduce the audience on your suspicion. You can say 5. You can say that the 6, you can say that the cycle of the 7 to be distributed to complete the final. At this point he looked at him after he is a 3 to come. Then you next cycle to send until the end of it. For example, here to send 3 copies of the cards so that the cards sent to send the end of it. Right, original you, that is a 3 to come right. At this time you can perform a spell to open his top card. Will appear a very magical spectacle. The 4 3s will all go to the top. It's a simple magic trick. It's simple and magical. Have you learned it yet?